Hello, Assalamu alaikum, and welcome to Gul Knowledge Hub. Today is the 18th session of Spoken English Day. Are you ready to take this challenge? Of course, there are two magical rules and which will guide you to speak English fluently, naturally, and with full of freedom. Now, what are those? First of all, sometimes you are struggling to ask the questions about some action, what the other person is going to perform. Sometimes you just want to ask the reason of that action and then you get stuck. And sometimes you simply want to ask the place. Now, action, the reason of that action, and the place of that action, these are the most important things to be asked. But how to ask? This is the major problem. Now it has been solved by two major rules, and I have come up with three English phrases, the modern English phrases to be used in your spoken English so that your English should sound natural and you can speak English fluently. So without any further ado, we should directly dive into the video. But before starting this video, if you are a newcomer on this channel, like, share and hit that bell icon because it motivates me to make much more informative videos. So we are going to start this video. Number one, golden rule will direct you to ask about the action, the reason of that action, the place of that action, the most important ingredient of your conversation. For example, your conversation can start with the action, with the action or with the question that what the other person is doing. And now that other question can be, what is the reason behind that action? Why are you performing that action? So the rule number one says that what are you plus ing form about asking the question. Why are you plus ing form to ask about the reason. Why are you plus ing form, and you have to replace only where. The structure would be same. Are you with ing form, you have to place where. Where are you ing form. Now the simplest structure is that what are you doing, what are you plus ing form, you have to replace what with why in order to ask the reason, and why with where in order to ask the place. Isn't it amazing? Because all the things remain same, only what, where and why can be changing with the question, with the changing questions, with the nature of questions. So I am going to give you the detailed examples of all these things so that you can get a clarity about how to ask the question about the action. For example, you can say, what are you doing? Now, what are you plus ing form is doing. What are you doing? What are you fixing? What are you growing? What are you building? Now, I want to ask about the action which the other person is performing. What are you doing? What are you fixing? What are you growing? What are you building? Now, you have to place only the action verb. Only the action verb. For example, what are you speaking? What are you learning? And what are you cooking? If you are a housemaker or homemaker, you can ask, what are you cooking? What are you washing? What are you cleaning? So there are different kind of action verbs you can place in order to ask about the actions. Now the next turn is about asking about the reason. You have to place only why are you plus ing form. For example, why are you smiling? Why are you running? Why are you writing? Why are you building? Why are you learning? Why are you doing? Why are you fixing? Why are you speaking? Why are you writing? So many things. So this is an amazing thing to ask about the reason of that action. Certainly reasons are very important because reasons provide a basic structure to convince the other person. Now, if you want to ask about the place, then what would be the structure? Only replace what and where, what and why with where. For example, where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you relaxing? Where are you working? Where are you studying? So you can say, where are you relaxing? For example, I am relaxing at the beach. Where are you studying? I am studying at college. Where are you working? I am working at your required place. You have to mention. So this is the most simplest and easiest introduction. And these can be the starter points to have a smooth and cozy conversation. So the next rule is very simple. You have to replace are with is. You have to replace are with is, total, and you with he or she or it, singular. He, she, it, singular subject. He, she, it. For example, what is he doing? What is he saying? What is he asking? What is he telling? Now, the answer can be he is saying goodbye. He is asking about the direction. He is telling a story. Now, why is he speaking? The reason. When you want to ask about the reason, why is he speaking? Why is he listening? Why is he writing? Now, where is he speaking? Where is he speaking? Where is he listening? Where is he writing? You want to know about the place. And you can simply change he with she if you want to talk about the female girl or the woman. So, the most amazing things are these three question formats, because these question formats easily give you a chance to have a conversation with anyone, whether he is a stranger or of your friend. So, vocabulary time. 3 English phrases I have come up with. First one is come clean. Come clean means to confess your mistake. I decided to come clean about my mistake and apologize to my boss. I just decided to confess my mistake. The next one is keep someone in loop. Keep someone in loop. That means to keep someone informed. Please keep me in loop, as I like to be informed about what is happening. The third one is it goes without saying. It goes without saying. It is used to introduce a point that is known or widely accepted. For example, it goes without saying that healthy diet is essential for maintaining a good health. Now it's your turn to produce as many sentences as you can, because these type of structure formation, sentence formation will give you an immense opportunity to talk to anyone, anywhere, anytime. So it's your turn, and let's see who wins this race. So with this positive note, I certainly end this video. Till the next video, stay happy, stay blessed. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.